Hey going, my name's Jamie. I'm one of the fitter and machinists here at the Royal Australian Mint. I started working at the Mint about 1 year ago now, and it's been great so far. Working in the tooling team, we manufacture and repair the tooling for all of our working presses, robots and machines that you can also see from up in the gallery. So depending on the day, I may be machining new parts or doing repairs. The machining parts has multiple processes, if you are unaware, and we can be machining to very tight tolerances. So a typical day, I don't really see as such thing here. The variety is pretty awesome. So I could be doing anything from programming a CNC machine to running manual lathes, manual mills, doing wire cutting or performing some precise measurements. The qualifications that you'll need to be able to perform this role will be either a qualification in tool making or a qualification as a fitter and machinist like myself. Any post-trade courses that you perform will also be to an advantage. The most challenging project to work on for me so far has been developing the skills to use our software to its full capabilities. Our software allows us to create models of the parts that are needing manufactured, and then from those models we can then create machining toolpaths which our machines can then read, which allows us to machine within tolerances of 1/5 of a human hair.